Now that our trombone's put together, we have to start making great sounds. First things first, say ah, roll your lips in, and then vibrate your top lip. Ah, kind of like that. It's much harder without the mouthpiece though, so let's try it. For trombone, you want to kind of put it 2/3 on your top lip and 1/3 on your bottom. Ah, Make sure you keep your corners firm and a flat chin. Can you try going low, high, low? Play around with it. See how many notes you can get. Can you go really high? Or really low? Nice job. When you put it into your trombone, give it a nice quarter turn. This is F. See if you can match my sound. This is B flat. And this is going to be high B flat above the staff. See if you can hit all three. Without tonguing between, try it again. Play around with it. Give it a shot. See how high or how low you can go. When you get your slide going, first position is all the way in. Second position is just about a couple inches out. Third is this brace right here, aligned with the bell. Fourth is the top of the slide, aligned with the bell. Fifth is a couple inches away from the bell. Six is going to be the full extension of your arm. And 7 is when you engage your shoulder to bring it all the way out. Give it a shot.